In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document for signature using DocuSign. Whether you're needing to send an important contract or simply want to streamline your document workflow, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process to ensure everything is set up correctly and efficiently. First, you'll need to log into your DocuSign account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the option that allows you to start the sending process. Depending on your version, you might see a Start button or something similar like New, and from there, you'll select Send an Envelope. This is where you'll initiate the process of sending your document out for signature. Next, you'll need to upload the document or documents you want to be signed. DocuSign supports various file formats, including PDF and Word documents, so you have flexibility depending on what you're working with. Simply navigate to your file, upload it, and you're ready to move on. Now it's time to add the recipients. For each person who needs to sign, you'll need to enter their name and email address. As you fill out these details, remember to designate their specific role, such as needs to sign. This way, DocuSign knows exactly what action is required from each recipient. If you have multiple signers who need to act in a specific order, you can set the signing sequence. This ensures that the process flows correctly, allowing one person to complete their task before the next receives their turn. Simply adjust the order by assigning numbers to each signer as per your workflow needs. Before you proceed, take a moment to customize the email that will be sent to your recipients. This includes updating the subject line to reflect the document's importance or content appropriately. Additionally, you can edit the body of the message to provide clear instructions or essential information your recipients need to know before signing. Now we arrive at an important part of the process, placing the fields onto your document. This includes signature fields, as well as any other necessary fields like date or initials. Utilizing DocuSign's intuitive drag-and-drop feature, you can easily position these fields exactly where you need each recipient to act. Ensure each field is clear and positioned where you intend. Once you've meticulously reviewed all components, your document, the listed recipients, the designated fields, and the tailored message, it's time to send your envelope. Clicking Send will dispatch your request for signatures directly to your recipients' inboxes, propelling the signing process into motion. After sending, you'll want to monitor the progress of your document. From the Manage or Envelopes section of your account, you can track the status to see who has signed and who still needs to. This feature keeps you updated at every step, so you're always in the loop. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to sending a document for signature with DocuSign. We hope you find this tutorial helpful as you navigate your next document workflow with confidence.